Alright, so I got these 3 off. And that's bad boy out. This is from my 98k mile engine. And what's this now? Say what? Say what? What's happening? Get this guy out of here. I don't like the look of that. There we go. Stay there. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Where did you come from? Oh, it's part of that seal that goes around. Just totally flew off. Well, I'm glad. Like, there's the rest of it trying to come through. Well, that's disappointing. Well, glad I took that off so I could show you. And it looks like here, the seal comes with the thermostat, so that's good. I'll keep this one, but take a look in here. Yeah. What's in there? Anything? Can't see anything in there. Got 4 of these. Turns out, pop them off like that. That's the metal core. That's got the rubber part. I'll need 2 hands to pop that out. Or I can get the rest of these. And I usually get the rust off of this stuff before I pop it back into the new vehicle. Oh, shoot. I don't have one here. Uh-oh. Did she pop out of here when I was taking her apart? Yo! That was the bottom. Yeah, the bottom right. Well, driver's side bottom. Where are you? Well, that's gonna suck if I have to get one of those. I'll have to check in here. See. I got it. So what else do I need off of this bad boy? Gotta get this hose off. Yoinks. Yoinks. That'll come off of there. This cap is a pain in the butt here, actually. It snaps on there good in the neighborhood. Looks like I'll need some bolts to get that off. And maybe, oh, that should allow the shroud too to get that off. Look out here. I had several radiators as I showed you, but over here, see that little hook? You can hook that right in. That way this thing will just hang before I do the rest and put the bolts in. Just pretty cool. Ah, fresh and so clean. So glad to have that. So thermostat. I'm gonna hold on putting this shroud in until I put the fan on back in here, because, and there's plenty of space, because I want to make sure I got room to place this bad boy and get down there and do that one. Just plenty of room here to the thermostat. All right, out of breath and back. Put this new thermostat in here. So this portion here goes against that little entrance there. Okay, we have a little knobber. What? What's this all about? This little thing. It's not on mine, and there's no place to put it. Seems like otherwise it would fit. So, look at the old one here. This one's too chewed up to use. Okay, better view for you. But it has no knob, so I guess okay. Yeah, I got that thing off, so now it actually fits. I'm just gonna put this back on. it up and call it a day.